Hey friends, today we're making pancakes with syrup I made from pine needles. You want the new ones, soft, fresh. They smell like citrus if you crush them. Boiling them pulls out all the flavor. Kind of minty, kind of lemony. See that? She's syrup now. Tastes like if a tree had a dream about candy. Simple stuff. Flour, water, forest eggs. Looks like it's ready to hit the fire.
Patience, the secret's in the wait.
Oh man. This here's forest gold. Sweet, wild, and just right. Tastes like the forest's sweetest secret. Thanks for cooking it with me. See you next time, friends.